Lithuania is the country that combines the beauty of its nature and the amazing architecture of its cities. Even if you have only a few days off, you will definitely be excited by the spirit of Lithuania. The fragrant nature and breathtaking legacy of warriors intertwine with the magnificent architecture. The history decided that Lithuania would have even 4 capitals. In addition to the current capital, Vilnius, Kaunas was the capital of Lithuania as well. The first Lithuanian capital was Kernavė, while the second one was Trakai. These 4 capitals are unique in their own ways. We recommend you to start your journey wandering in the streets of Vilnius Old City and visit the most thrilling churches, palaces, or even cemeteries in the capital city. Continue your journey to admire Kernavė mounds, Trakai town and surrounding mounds, and finish it by exploring the most attractive architectural monuments in Kaunas. You will find a wealth of architectural and natural heritage with the views that will make you gasp, even without knowing the history or listening to long stories of a guide. Photos and footage will help you find out more, and the descriptions will give you all the information you need. There's probably no person who would not be fascinated by Vilnius and other 3 Lithuanian capitals. After waking up in the morning, take a stroll around Europe's largest old city, enjoy a cup of coffee, and watch how the nature and architecture blend to create the city's special spirit. As you start this adventurous journey, you will discover not only the wonders of architecture, but also the mythical locations, unique nature creations, and significant objects of Lithuanian history.